Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this video today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a number 3 cake topper freehand without a cake mold or a cake or a fondant cutter or any of those random tools. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a number 3 cake topper freehand. And in this I made a playlist for you guys on how to make from the figure 0 to figure 9 cake topper freehand, and for it to firm up really fast. Okay, so today we're going to be using pink gum paste. So beforehand I should tell you guys how I make this gum paste. So this gum paste firms up in less than 2 hours, and I make this gum paste usually when sometimes I forget to make the accessories for my cake in advance. So sometimes I have just a little time to maybe get it together and get it to firm up. So this is the gum paste I use. I'm going to put the link right up here for you guys to check it out. Okay, so what you want to do is roll your gum paste into a log and taper both ends. So once you've tapered both ends, what you want to do then is try to form a 3, which means you make a curved top and then you twist it and then make a curved bottom. Usually for a number 3, the curved top is smaller than the curved bottom, so you want to make sure you put that into account. Then you want to take your cake smoother and then press it down. When you press it down, it forms this flat, more stable shape that dries out really fast. Yes, that's what you want to do. So press it down, and then once you press it down and it is flat, the next thing you want to do is use your cake smoother to form the number 3 as much as possible. So now I feel like the middle is a little too fat, so I'm going to cut out some parts of it. So that's what we're going to do. So the remaining parts of the cake, I'm going to be smoothing it with my fingers or with the smoother. So you can look as much as 3 as possible and as uniformly as possible. So that's what you want to do. So now that you're done, what you want to do is take a skewer. I'm not using a toothpick because a toothpick would be too short. It won't be long enough for you to dip your for you to make it stand and hold the number 3 in place. So you want to put the toothpick as fast as you can, because this gum paste recipe firms up really fast. It firms up really fast. So if you don't do it fast enough, it will start to crack. So one of the first things you want to do is to put your skewer in the longest part of the number 3 where it won't show, if that makes sense. So once you've done that, then you want to put it on a flat surface and then use your smoother to kind of smoothen the top, so everything will come together and look really nice. So once we are done, what I want to do as decoration on this number 3, I know it looks like it's soft right now, but give it 1 hour, it is going to be firm enough to stand on its own, I promise you guys. So take your edible glue. If you want to see the recipe for my edible glue, I'm going to put the card right up here. Just click on that. It is amazing for fondant, for wafer paper, for sugar paper, for gum paste as well. So take your edible glue and generously apply it on top of your number 3 cake topper. So once you're done, I'm going to take some of my pearls, my edible pearls. You can use sprinkles, you can use anyhow you want to decorate this topper. For the figures I made from 0 to 9, I had different designs for them. So if you don't like this design and you'd like to check out other designs to do on your topper, you can do that. I have a playlist. I'm going to put the card for the playlist right up here. Just click on me. So once I'm done applying the pearls, I said to add some white sprinkles to give it a little bit more dimension. And I loved how it came out, because it came out so nice and so pretty. And once you put enough glue, the sprinkles are just going to stick on top of it effortlessly. So, and this is what we have. See how pretty. And if you're doing this for a cake, make sure to bear in mind the color of your cake. So the color of your cake can match the color of your topper. So you don't have to do it in pink, just do it in a color that matches your topper. So that's all you have to do, guys. And see how pretty. And you can press it down with maybe a tool or maybe with your fingers if you like, so it can really stick on. So see how it is right now. Just leave it in that position for about 30 minutes and then lift it and let it dry, and it will be fine. Okay, so this is our other number toppers. If you'd like to check them out, make sure to click the link in the description box below for you guys. Thank you so much for always watching my videos, and I have a link in the description box below for you to buy from my favorite cake tools in case you'd like to buy some of those. Thank you, and I will see you in my future videos. Bye.